Have you ever gazed into the vast expanse of the night sky, captivated by a star's distant twinkle, and pondered its immense power? Now, stretch that imagination further. Picture an explosion so mind bogglingly bright, so incredibly potent, that it eclipses the combined luminosity of entire galaxies. We're not talking about a star that's merely 1,000 times brighter than our sun. We're speaking of a cosmic inferno that blazed with a light 570 billion times more powerful than our own star. Let that staggering figure truly resonate for a moment. The story of this extraordinary event began in 2015 when an international network of telescopes diligently scanning the heavens detected an unusual flare of light. Initially, astronomers attributed it to a familiar phenomenon, a supernova, the spectacular death throes of a massive star. Supernovae, while undeniably impressive, are well understood celestial events that have been observed countless times. However, ASASSN 15LH, as it was later designated, quickly revealed itself to be an anomaly that defied all conventional understanding. This was no ordinary supernova. It was an explosion 200 times brighter than the most powerful supernovae ever recorded. In a mere few weeks of its furious existence, it unleashed more energy than our sun will generate over its entire anticipated 10 billion year lifespan. This wasn't merely a dying star. It was a cosmic detonation that transcended the limits of human imagination. Its rather cumbersome name, ASASSN 15LH, belies the profound significance of the most luminous explosion humanity has ever witnessed. Adding to its mystique, this unfathomable event transpired a staggering 3.8 billion light-years away. Yet despite this unimaginable cosmic distance, its incandescent light traversed the vast emptiness of space, eventually reaching Earth with enough intensity for our sophisticated instruments to detect it. Consider the profound implications of this. The energy from a star's cataclysmic demise, billions of years in the past, only now reaching us, carrying whispers of a bygone era across the boundless expanse of time and space. Astronomers were left scratching their heads. The fundamental principles of stellar evolution dictate how stars explode, but ASASSN 15LH presented a scenario that was entirely off the charts. One intriguing explanation that emerged from the scientific community was the possibility of a magnetar. For those unfamiliar with the term, imagine a star collapsing under its own immense gravity into an object so incredibly dense, so utterly extreme, that a single teaspoon of its matter would outweigh an entire mountain range. This is a neutron star. A magnetar, then, is its even more exotic cousin, a neutron star on astronomical steroids. It's ultra-dense, spinning at an astonishing rate of 60,000 times per minute, and enveloped in a magnetic field trillions of times stronger than Earth's. In theory, if such an object were to form at the heart of this colossal explosion, its immense power could potentially fuel the extraordinary luminosity of ASASSN 15LH. However, even the magnetar hypothesis stretches the boundaries of known physics. Could this truly be the answer? Or was something even more bizarre and unprecedented at play? As the blinding light of ASASSN 15LH gradually began to wane, astronomers around the globe, and even those operating orbiting space telescopes, converged their efforts, meticulously collecting every conceivable scrap of data from this cosmic furnace. The clues gathered so far remain puzzling. The chemical signatures of the explosion do not align with those of a normal supernova. The sheer energy output doesn't quite fit the established astrophysical models. Some scientists even speculate in hushed tones that this might not have been the death of a star at all, but rather something entirely novel. Perhaps a black hole tearing apart a star, or an entirely unknown and unprecedented physical phenomenon. The truth, for now, remains elusive. And that very uncertainty is precisely what makes this discovery so incredibly thrilling. One might naturally wonder, why should we, inhabitants of a small planet orbiting a relatively quiet star, care about a stellar explosion that occurred billions of light-years away? The answer is profound. Events like ASASSN 15LH don't just add new entries to our scientific journals. They fundamentally rewrite the textbooks of astronomy and physics. They serve as a powerful reminder that the universe is not a perfectly ordered, predictable system. It is a raw, violent, and endlessly surprising realm. Each time we bear witness to something as extraordinary as ASASSN 15LH, we are starkly reminded of the delicate fragility of our tiny world, peacefully orbiting its lone star amidst a cosmic ballet of incomprehensible power. Up there, in the boundless depths of space, stars are meeting their end in ways we are only just beginning to comprehend, blazing with a brilliance that surpasses billions of suns combined. Down here, on our blue marble, we often find ourselves preoccupied with trivial matters like traffic jams and grocery lists. This cosmic perspective is profoundly humbling, and perhaps that is the true gift of this remarkable discovery. A renewed sense of perspective on our place within the grand tapestry of the cosmos. So, the next time you step outside on a clear night, take a moment to look up. Somewhere out there, light from ancient, unimaginable explosions like ASASSN 15LH is still hurtling through the vastness of space, carrying with it the untold secrets of stars that we may never fully comprehend. And who knows, the next blinding cosmic flare that astronomers detect might not merely challenge our existing scientific understanding, it might fundamentally rewrite it, opening entirely new chapters in our exploration of the universe. If you liked this video, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel where I provide some amazing space facts.